Hello, welcome to the channel. I'm Sandra, and today I'm sharing a beanbag activity to go with the song Toss Your Leaves. It's a super simple fall song that you can use in the regular classroom or in the music room. In this video, I'll share the song, how to sing it. I'll share the actions, and I'll share a really fun beanbag activity you can use it with too. Now's a good time to subscribe to the channel. And I have some exciting news. We are now on Patreon. The link is in the description. I hope you'll head on over there and check out what we offer on Patreon for subscriptions so you can help us continue to help others support music and movement activities. Toss the leaves. Toss the leaves all around, swirling, whirling, twirling to the ground. Toss them high, toss them low, toss them up and down you go. Toss the leaves hand actions. Toss the leaves all around, swirling, whirling, twirling to the ground. Toss them high, toss them low, toss them up and down you go. There's 4 different actions that we're going to do in this song. First, we're going to toss the leaves all around. Then we're going to toss side to side, swirling, whirling, twirling, and just have them lower to the ground. Then we're going to toss up again, toss them high, and then pretend to toss low down to their other hand. Or if you want, they can put it to the ground and pick it up. Then for grades 1 and up, grades 1, 2, and possibly 3, we're going to pass it for 4 beats on the last line. Toss them up and down you go. I would practice it nice and slowly with them. So just the way I did it. Really slow. Toss the leaves and then have them passing at the end. And just practice that a couple times with that line so they can get used to going from back and forth to, oh, I'm passing to my neighbor. If you're using it for kindergarten or preschool, then we're not going to pass the beanbag. I think it would be too difficult. So we're just going to have them just hold it. Toss it up and down you go. If they can, have them march during that part. Toss it up and down you go. Okay? So keep it super simple for the littles. Toss the leaves. You can do it as a chant. So this is how it would look with the beanbag and just chanting it. Toss the leaves all around, swirling, whirling, twirling to the ground. Toss them high, toss them low, toss them up and down you go. And here's how it looks with the music. Toss the leaves all around, swirling, whirling, twirling to the ground. Toss them high, toss them low, toss them up and down you go. Toss the leaves all around, swirling, whirling, twirling to the ground. Toss them high, toss them low, toss them up and down you go. I hope your kids have fun playing with beanbags and using the song in your classroom. Take a second and hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate it. And let's keep kids moving and learning with music. Sing, play, create.